My heart just sucked. What's up, sweetie fam? Welcome back to my channel. I am Patra Denise, produced by Zenny Production. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, y'all, I am so excited to be doing this unboxing. Like, I went back and forth, deciding, and I officially decided. So we're just gonna get right into it. I haven't even opened the box. Like this is the package that it came in. As you can see, I have not opened the box. So we're gonna get right into it, okay? And a little chit chat with me as well. I am gearing up for Vlogmas, okay? Honestly, ever since I can remember, I wanted to do Vlogmas. And I saw a post that I wrote 5 years ago. 2015, I was gonna start vlogging. I didn't start until 2019. And I don't even vlog. And to vlog, you gotta have something to vlog about. Anywho, and so I always said I want to do Vlogmas. I wanted to be a part of the black YouTubers that YouTube picks in the summertime, where they choose a lot of black YouTubers that have like 4 or 5 days of different events. It's a weekend. It's definitely a vibe. They have celebrities and stuff that come out, and you know, it's definitely a networking and just black love, black unity session, okay? And I've always said, I'm going to that. I'm gonna be in. They're gonna invite me. When I really get serious, they're gonna invite me. Look at me, serious in 2020. All this craziness going on, I'm serious, and so I'm gearing up for Vlogmas. There's so many things that go into Vlogmas that I experienced in Vlogtober. So I kind of got my feet wet a little bit, and I did Vlogtober on a spur of the moment thing. So, ooh, my heart just sucked. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Look how big this box is. Like, the freaking box is huge. We'll check out the rest of the stuff that's in this box in a little bit, but look how big this box is. Like, it's like freaking huge. Let's talk about how big this box is. It's freaking huge. Like, if we're gonna compare, look, this is the very first one of the Mac Pro Max, okay? This is the 10 XS Max. So this was the, you know, at that time, this was the biggest screen in 2000, what was that? 18 that iPhone had. So that was 2 years ago. And so look at this box compared to my phone. And I know obviously the phone is gonna be a bit, but like, this box is freaking huge, like ginormous. So, and I'm an iPhone box keeper, so I'm definitely keeping this box. I do want to say, because I'm a Mac person, a MacBook, I'm getting an iMac. I have 2 iPads. I have, you know, an iPhone. Everyone in my household has an iPhone. And then now this is the only one that's ever came in a black box. So all the boxes have been white. And so this is the only one that came in a black box. And so I got the gold color. And I think it was 4 different options, but I got the gold color. The current one that I have now is gold as well. So it's gold as well. I've had the 10 XS Max for 2 years. So since 2018. And like, I can't complain. And the only reason why I'm even upgrading is because I can't take pictures outside like I used to. I know you're like, that's stupid, why would you do that? Well, I am a digital influencer. I'm a real deal, like, digital influencer. Like, I do this. So I have content that I have to create outside of YouTube. My daughters have a decent platform. They're almost to 10,000 subscribers. They're currently at about 9,000, I said subscribers. They're currently at about 9,000 followers on Instagram. And so they get a lot of, you know, sponsorships and collabs and deals and things like that. Some are paid, some are unpaid. So I need really good quality inside photos. And we move back to the Midwest. That means that my photos have to be inside because it's freaking freezing outside. 40 degrees in the Midwest is like 15 or 20. 15 to 20 degrees in the Midwest is like 0 below. 40 degrees in the South, you can be out there for 10 or 15 minutes, you know, without your jacket, snap these photos, which I've done it all the way up until like Thanksgiving, December 1st. Sometimes even December, it's a good 55, 60 degree, not sometimes, a lot of times. So I needed to step my game up. That's just the bottom line, okay? We're gonna get this thing open, right? I don't even want to open it. Like, let me tell y'all something. I don't even know what to say. Like, this is freaking huge. Now, I will say price-wise, this was the same price as my XS Max, which was $1,200. And I do get the 256 gig. I wasn't going to get the 512. I have over between 22 and 25,000 photos. That does not include the videos and the screenshots. Well, maybe that does include the screenshots, but it does not include the videos. So there's times when my battery's low on my camera and I have to record on my phone. This allows you to do the 4K option to record in. I need all those specs, right? 2020 is almost over. It definitely didn't do us right. So I'm going to 2021 with my head held high, okay? And my phone held higher, okay? But yeah, so I'm super excited about unboxing this. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's open this thing up. It is definitely nicely packaged. I will say in the box, there was nothing in here. Can y'all see that? There was no cushion or nothing in here. And I'm guessing the FedEx worker knew that this was an expensive phone. So I have a custom welcome mat that I do custom welcome mat, and he put it on the welcome mat as if you can't see the welcome mat is raw. It's just in case, like, if we weren't here. I thought that was very nice of the FedEx workers. So but if somebody dropped this on accident, they probably, I mean, I don't know, it's packaged pretty tight, but I'm guessing it would have possibly broke because there's no cushion in there besides this little plastic that's stuck to the top. It ain't got no air in it. Thank God I was like literally looking out the window. But okay. This says this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold 256 gig, which I told y'all designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. All right, let's get it. I think they got the tab upside down. Yes, they do. Ooh, camera open. This is the inside of the box, and this is what it looks like. This is beautiful. Like, it feels so different than my phone. Like, my phone has like my 10. I didn't get the 11 because I just wasn't really feeling it, but let me put it there. Take my phone, and I'm not trying to compare, but I guess I'm kind of trying to compare. As y'all see that this one has 2 cameras, this one has a few extra cameras. I'm holding it tight so it won't fall. But yeah, like the difference on the back. And let's just kind of size it up if we can. Can y'all see how like it's not that much of a difference though, size wise, if y'all can kind of see that. All right, let's pull this out of the box. All right, so this is the way it came. It has a white paper on the front of the screen. This reminds me of the very first popping iPhone. Now they had like an iPhone 2, iPhone 3, but the very first one that everybody was talking about was the iPhone 4. It had like this brass outer, kind of thicker outer shell around. This one does not have that brass. This has a more of a rounder, and it's rounded rather than a more rectangle brass outing. Let's take this off, y'all. Ooh, it's snap. So the screen is the entire screen. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. The entire screen. I'm just being very careful, y'all. The entire screen, which you want to see the difference. The entire screen, and I feel like it's a little bit. You can see that on the 10, you can see the black part around the edge, but on this, I'm not sure if you can see the black part. I think the entire screen. Y'all see that? This is beautiful. I always get the gold. I definitely like the way it looks, and I definitely like the thickness of it. I'm gonna set this in here just for the time being. Okay. And then let's get on to the charger. So they talked about the USB port of this charger will be different. It's not gonna be the traditional USB port, and that just allows you to spend more money with Apple. And because I enjoy all my Apple products, I'm okay with it. Okay, even though I already spent $1,200 on this phone. But let's open up this charger. So normally, the USB, this is the way the original chargers have come with the iPhones. As you can kind of see, this is the port that goes into the phone, and then this is the part that goes into the block. They do not supply you with the block anymore, which is totally okay, but this is the part that goes into the phone for the 12 Pro Max. And then you have this part which goes into the block. Now, what's interesting about this is the same size that goes into the MacBook Pros, okay? So I'm guessing the block that I use for the MacBook Pro, I'll be able to use to charge my iPhone, so they'll all be the same, all right? Not sure why they decided to change it, but this is the way it looks. If y'all can see that. Definitely the way it looks on the new charger. It does not have that wider USB. And we're just gonna put them next to each other, okay? So right here is the original USB for iPhone that goes into the block, and this is the new one. Y'all can see that this is the new one. All right, so let's get into this iPhone. Yeah, I love the way this looks. I'm really happy. I am excited to get this thing started. Obviously, it's still just an iPhone, but the unboxing of this is just gorgeous. The presentation is gorgeous. You still have, no earphone jack, which is fine with me because most of the people in my household, we use wireless headphones and things like that. So I'm totally okay with that. But yeah, this is definitely a beauty. Okay, definitely a beauty. Y'all comment down below if y'all thinking about getting the any of the 12s. They have the 12 mini, they have the 12 Pro, and this is the 12 Pro Max. I ordered mine, I think last week Thursday, and I got it today, Tuesday, and this video will go out tomorrow. So I have been watching videos. I'm not gonna have it gearing up to the pre-order of this. So, but she's a beauty. I mean, just like her mama. But y'all comment down below on what y'all think about the 12s, if you have it or if you don't. All right, I am Forever Patra Denise, and y'all be sweet.